In question number 9, Ahmed and Lara toss a coin. If the child sees the purple side, the child advances 3 steps. If the child sees the green side, the child goes back 1 step or stays at her position. At the beginning of play, each of them stands next to the number 1, preparing to play, and each of them tosses the coin 4 times. Lara advanced to number 4 and Ahmed advanced to the number 8. How many times in total did they see the green side of the coin? Okay, so we have a coin, each face with a different color. So we have purple and green. At the beginning, both of them are staying at number 1. So we will see that Lara, after 4 steps, 4 times of tossing the coin, Lara reached this place here. And Ahmed reached here, this place. Okay, let's see for each one of them how many times Lara, for example, got the purple side or the green side. So because she is now in the number 4, so at least she got the purple 2 times. So you will write 2 times purple. So this is 6. Now because now she is in 4, so she will get here green -1 and another green, so -1 again, so until she reach 4. So Lara gets 2 times green and 2 times purple. Let's see Ahmed gets 2 times because Ahmed is in number 8, so at least he got 3 times the purple side and then 1 time a green side, so he is now in the number 8. So in general we get 3 times the green face, the green side, so the correct answer is C. Now in question number 10, there are 5 different kinds of fruit in a bowl. Abir likes only grape, Badr likes all the type of fruits, Ahmed likes grape, strawberry and banana, Muhammad likes grape and banana, Ali likes cherry and strawberry. Everyone gets a fruit they like, everyone get a different kind of fruit. What does Badr get? Okay, we will start with Abir because Abir only like a grape, so she will get this one, grape, taken by Abir. Now we will look at Muhammad. Muhammad likes grape and banana, so grape is taken by Abir, so he will get banana. So these 2 are taken. And now if we look at Ahmed likes grape, banana and strawberry, but grape and banana are taken, so he will take strawberry. So and strawberry now is taken here. Now if we look at Ali likes strawberry and cherry, but strawberry is taken, so he will take the cherry. So cherry is also here removed. So what is left for Badr is the apple, and A is the correct answer. Now in question number 11, Adel has built a tower of 8 discs as in the picture. Adel removes the second disc from the bottom of this tower, then he removes the third disc from the bottom of the new tower, then he removes the fourth disc from the bottom of the new tower, then he removes the fifth disc from the bottom of the new tower. Which tower does Adel end up with? Okay, so at first Adel removed the second disc here, so the new tower will not contain this one. So after that he will remove the third disc from the bottom. So the third disc is 1 here, 2, 3, this one. So he will remove this one, and then he will remove the fourth one. So we will count again without considering these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he will remove this one here, and after that he will remove the fifth disc. So if we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so he will remove this one. So the new tower, the last tower that he will end up with, start with blue and end up with blue. So the last the last disk is blue and the first disk is blue. So which answer satisfy this new tower? Of course, B is the correct answer because we have blue here and blue here, and none of the other answers contain these satisfy this condition. Okay, now in question number 12, Peter the penguin goes fishing every day and brings back 9 fish for his 2 chicks. Each day he gives 5 fish to the first chick he sees and 4 fish to the second chick, which they eat over the last few days. One of the chicks has eaten 26 fish. How many fish has the other chick eaten? Okay, so 26 has been eaten by the first one, and we are going to guess how many times, how many days does this one get 5 and 4. For example, 26 is close to the number 30, and 30 is 5 times the number 6 times the number 5, so we will write 5 6 times. And now we have to change some of these 5s to 4 because we are not going to have 30, we are going to have 26 for the first one. So I will replace 4 of these 5s by 4s. So we will replace this one by 4, 4, 4, and 4, and these two will be 5 and 5. So now I have 26 in total. This is for the first one. Now for the second chick, we will just replace each one of these numbers with, we will replace each 5 by 4 and each 4 by 5. So we will get here 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 5. So in total, the second chick got 28. So D is the correct answer. Now in question number 13, 7 cards numbered 1 to 7 are placed in 4 overlapping rings. The sum of the numbers in each ring is 10. Which numbers is under the question mark? Okay, let's write here the number of the cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and to solve this question, let's start with the rings that contain the less unknown number of cards. So here, this one contains just one unknown card. We have 6, so the remaining is 4. And here also we have 3, so the remaining is 7. Now, if we look at this ring here, we have 2 unknown cards, and we have 7. So to get 10, we need extra 3. So one of these 2 cards will be 1, and the second one will be 2. So, for example, if I give this one 2, and this one is 1, so of course I will now remove the numbers that we used. We use this one, and this one is used. This one is used also, and this one is used. Okay, and this one. Now, for this place, I just have 5. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and 5, 11. So this cannot be the answer. So I will replace between exchange these two and put here 1 and here 2. Now here in this circle, we still have 10, so it's correct. Now if we look here, we have 1 and 4 is equal to 5, so we need this 5 here. So if you put here 5, all of the cards now satisfy the condition. So the sum of each cards in each ring is equal to 10, and A is the correct answer. In question number 14, Luai wants to make a caterpillar that has a head, a tail, and either 1, 2, or 3 puzzle pieces in between. How many different caterpillars can Luai make without flipping pieces? Now, if we look at the pieces here, we have this one as a head. So this one will be existed in all the caterpillars. And we have this one here as the tail. So also this one will be existed in all the caterpillars. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 and 5 will be existed in each possibility. So we will write 1 and 5 at the beginning and at the end of each one of them. So I will write here 1 and 5. And now let's see the options in between. So after we put 1, we have to put either 3 or 4 after 1, so I will start with 3. So I can just put 3 and then I will put the tail here. So this is one possibility here, correct. And now I can put 1 and then a 3, and then I can put 2 and then 5, and this is another possibility. Now I can start by putting 1 and then 4 and then 3 and then 5, and this is another possibility. Now if I started with 1 and then 4 and then 3 and then 2 and then 5, this is another possibility. Can I have another possibility? No. So we have in general 4 possibilities to like construct 4 different caterpillars, and the correct answer is B. Now in question number 15, Ahmed writes the numbers 1 to 4 on a sheet, then he flips the sheet and writes the numbers 5 to 8 as shown. After that, he cuts the sheet into 4 rectangular cards and put them in a row. What is the sum of the numbers represented by question mark? Okay, at first, after flipping, this 2 here, the near rectangle, will be placed here in this place, and the far one will be placed here. So in this place we will have 2 on the other side, and here we will have 1, here we will have 3, and here we will have 4. So what do we have here in this place and this place? So on the other side here we will have 2, and here we will have 4. So what is left is 1 and 3. So these two cards, because they are gray, so this one will be 1 or 3, and this one will be 3 or 1. So the sum of these two cards is 4, and B is the correct answer. Okay, now in question number 16, a floor is covered with 2 kinds of tile. We have the gray rectangle and the black square. So the rectangles have size 23 by 11. The picture shows a part of the floor. What is the side length of the square tile? Okay, if we zoom up a little bit and see this part here, we have in this rectangle, the length is 23 centimeter, and in this rectangle here, we have the width as 11. So if we subtract 23 from 11, we will have 12, and this 12 will be divided by 6, so we will have 6 here and 6 here. So the side length of each square will be 6, 6 and 6. So D is the correct answer.